We understand your time is valuable. Our Rodizio menu and gourmet salad bar options allow you to be served right away. We know how everyone is busy, so come by and try our new Rodizio menu for lunch. Delightful salad, bold flavors, and a unique experience. We guarantee that we'll serve you in no more than 5 minutes or you don't pay for it. Come to 23 Sack Boulevard in Limster today. More information at www.comeketo.com or call 978-466-1224.
No matter how we slice it, you still like it. Come experience the Brazilian way of serving meats, Rodizio style.